Hi planner friends, welcome back to my channel. Before I get started, I wanted to wish you all a happy new year. This video, it's late just because I haven't had the chance to do the voiceover. I filmed it since I think Sunday, but I couldn't just do the voiceover. I'm very excited because I have a new planner, as you guys can tell right here. I'm trying to open it up and everything. I got it for Christmas, which is very exciting. If you guys follow me on Instagram, you probably know already. I really like this planner because it's very neutral. You guys know that I've been complaining about the planner that I had. I don't know, I just really like the planners that are more neutral because I can customize them to my liking a bit more. So I really like this one. I don't know the name. I would definitely put it here on the screen or something if I find it. So here I'm showing you the first page. Here we have the year at a glance for 2018 and 2019, and here we have the January. I really love it. It has a lot of rose gold, which is my fave. Here is the month, which is very minimal. I really love it. And here is the week. I don't have any colors at the end or anything like that, which I really love. So here I'm gonna flip through it real quick so I can show you how all the dividers look, which I really like. So I decided to use these two Happy Planner sticker books and these washi tapes. I just picked them all up just to see what went better with the spread that I was gonna do. I didn't know what colors I would use, but I wanted to use something fresh and pink and all that great stuff. So I actually really liked how it turned out. This year I definitely want to get out of my comfort zone when it comes to planning and to everything else. So I'm very excited for this new year, and I really have this year I have a goal. I want to finish what I start. Okay, for example, I want to start this planner in January and I want to finish it all the way through December. I don't want to buy another planner. I really want to finish it up all the way to the end, because I found out that last year I bought like probably 3 planners and never finished any of them, and that is not right. I really need to finish them all. I'm not one to do New Year resolutions or anything like that, so I cannot tell you that I have resolutions. I just have goals, and those are life goals that I want to get done. So yeah, that's pretty much as a planner what I want to do, and I really want to get things done this year. I want to do a lot of stuff. This year Elijah turns 1. I want to do a birthday party for him and all that great stuff, which I'm really excited about. So in here I'm done with all the washi tape, and I started placing a sticker, a full box sticker, where the date goes, and then I just decided to put them all over the place. I'm sorry if you hear Elijah in the background, you know, mom life. In case you're wondering, the sticker book that I'm using for this full boxes are from the Glam Girl collection. I don't know if you found the new stickers from the Happy Planner, but I went to my Michaels and it was very disappointing because it didn't have anything of the new collection. I want the little stickers that come in the box. I want the mom life ones. They seem to be pretty cool. If I do find them this week or the next, I would definitely show you all how they are. Also, I put a couple of checklists here as well. There's a lot of things that I want to get done throughout the week, so I definitely put that. Yes, you can hear Elijah screaming for me. It is madness around here with Elijah. Lately, he is been going through this stage where he cannot be without seeing me. If I'm away from him for 1 minute, he starts screaming. If I'm in the kitchen and he's in the living room, he starts crying because he cannot be without seeing me. If you have any tips, because this is totally new, I've always had a routine for him, and this did not happen before. And this is a whole new thing for me. So if you have any tips, definitely let me know, because I don't know what to do anymore. And I also want to work out. Who doesn't? But I want to make it a living style. I don't want to be like, oh, this year I want to lose weight. 'Cause everyone says the same thing. And through the second week of January, nobody keeps up with anything. So this is a living style that I want to do. And also I wrote my yearly saying, which would be stick to the plan. I don't know the exact term for it, but anyways, I put that in there because I want to have it as a reminder, and I kind of decorated around it a little bit. I put a lipstick, and I decided to finally use one of the Glam Girls. I don't know why I've been hoarding these stickers. I have a whole bunch in a page. Anyways, after that, I managed to find a weekend sticker, which I really needed, and I want to point out that I'm actually finishing the voiceover for this video on Friday. So this video will be late, and I really hope you guys watch it or you're interested in watching the video up to this point, but I haven't been able to do the voiceover. Also want to let you guys know something. I know I've been uploading Fridays and Sundays. Those are the days that I upload, but I think I'm gonna start uploading only on Sundays until I can figure things out with Elijah and see what I'm gonna do. Anyways, I'm adding a few more stickers. I decided to add another half box, I think that's what you call it, half box sticker. I did add a New Year's Day for Monday, which I don't know if I told you guys, and just adding a few more decoration stickers, which I really love. And oh my god, I just loved the coffee cup stickers that this sticker book brings. I really like it. Also added bows on top. There were only 2 of them, but anyways, I really loved them, and I was kind of just looking through and see what else I would put there. So I also added a sticker that says get your happy on, and I added a little love heart on the bottom, and also another one that says hello gorgeous, and added a lipstick because I just cannot get enough of these lipstick stickers. They're so pretty. And up to this point I was pretty much done. I did some writing off camera, just of a couple of things, but I'm not gonna be showing writing. I don't think I'm gonna be showing any more writing on my videos because what's the point? Anyways, up to this point I'm done. I hope you guys enjoy watching this video. I will talk to you guys soon on my next one. Don't forget to subscribe. Love you guys. Bye.